best.
This is such an amazing night.
Exhilarating.
Well,
Wow.
this is printed in my mind forever and ever. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without the help of so many people, and I mean
Yes.
so many people. But before we go into saying our thank yous, dahil it's still the month of May, birth month mo pa din. So, syempre, patingin naman natin ang ating birthday boy. Oh, humabol pa, oh.
Humabol na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Ayun.
Should I make a wish or?
Sure, of course. Cake mo yan eh. Go, make a wish. Whatever you wish.
Ay, nandito pa na yung wish ko.
Maliit na bagay, maliit na bagay. Naku, wala yan.
Lagi
Wala
yung
yan.
magaganyan pag may cake. Every birthday, I'm just gonna say that.
Ayan, so, belated happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oy, kiss, wag mo ganun. Ang programang ito ay rated PG. I'm very proud of you, proud of the man you are becoming. You know, I always want what's best for you. I'm very thankful for your existence. If I don't say that enough, thank you. Oh my God, sobrang tibay mo. Like, super galing mo as a person. Kasi may mga kaibigan kami, lagi nila sinasabi sa akin, Alexa, swerte mo kay KD.
Yes, yes,
Hindi, tanggapin mo na, hindi to contest. Swerte ako sa'yo.
Hindi, competitive ako.
Hindi, ayun. I'm just so thankful and ang saya na unti-unti kong natutupad yung dreams ko, tapos may bonus pa na ikaw nakasama. So, I hope that we can continue doing life like this.
Yes, we will. Forever and ever.
Okay. Ayun, you wanna say something?
Yeah, gusto ko po mag-thank you sa inyong lahat. Everybody in Music Museum right now, and everybody online. Thank you so much for the birthday greetings. And, grabe, I didn't ask for any gift kasi kayo, sapat na kayo. And ikaw, just my partner, not only in work, pero in my personal life din. We always share moments together, and I'm happy. I'm not gonna say that. But, yes, thank you Alexa for always being there. And thank you everybody. Thank you. Thank you so much for the support and love.
And since you're already thanking the people you want,
Oo
segue na rin ako. So, everyone, gusto naming pasalamatan ang aming mahusay, sobrang husay na banda. Starting off with our musical director, Chuck Hosser.
Palakpakan naman natin. And on bass, we have Roman de la Cruz. Palakpakan natin.
Yes! On second keyboard, we have Naldi Rodriguez. Yay!
And of course, on guitar, si Kuya Jano Kwek-Kwek.
And of
Wait,
course, we have our backup singers also. Sobrang big help.
Thank
Thank you so much for singing with us. We have Mike Luis and Faye Yupano.
Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank you. Please, everyone, we need a louder round of applause for our band. Please, they are the geniuses behind this concert. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.
We are very lucky because since this is our first concert, inalagaan kami ng mga taong kasama namin and hindi na kami pinabayaan. They really helped us prepare for this night. So again, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat.
Wait a minute! Okay, and may I continue my thanks? Sorry, sobrang haba. Ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan, syempre. First of all, where's Derek? Derek John?
Direk John.
Direk John,
Ay,
thank you
Direk
so
John.
much. Direk John, Sir Riley, Mama Bear,
Yes.
Miss Liza, for
Si Mama Chini.
Mama Chini. Sobra kong na-appreciate because they really got to know us. Got to know me and KD, kung sino kami bilang tao. Hindi sila basta-basta nagpa-produce ng concert
Yes.
lang na kahit ano na lang,
Nag-bonding pa tayo.
Nag-bonding kami.
Nag-bonding kami.
So they really got to know us, and that's why this feels so intimate, and that's why this feels so genuine,
Yes.
feels so real. Thank you so much. To the people working sa tech, thank you mga kuya for making us
Thank
sound
you.
great. Tech riders, everyone. Teacher Anne,
Yes.
our voice
Voice coach.
coach na talagang tinututukan din kami. Thank you so much. Oh my God, there's so many more.
Of course, our sponsors.
Yes, of course, our sponsors. First of all, Ma'am Ana Magkawas, Lux Slim.
Slim.
Thank you so much naman for your support. Are you here tonight? Huh?
Huh?
But yeah, I mean, whether you are here or not, your support means the world to me. And of course, yeah.
Metro Photo and for brands Balansugba and Fernando's Bake Shop. And of course, he did my suits. Si Sir Francis Libiran. Thank you so much. And of course, si Miss Ana Magkawas, Extraordinaire. And of course, yung glam teams natin.
Akin na to.
Oh, sa'yo na to.
Ayun, so I would also like to thank my glam team, syempre. Patty Yap, and the designers, Rika Siena, Fatima Beltran, Mama Jake Galvez, Justin Ocampo, Extraordinaire for my nails. Uy guys, sobrang pinaghandaan ko to, promise. Pati yung kuko ko, kung pwede nakikita.
Pa-tight shot naman po dito.
It deserves a tight shot. Look at that, gorgeous. So ayun, maraming salamat sa aming special guest, syempre.
Yes. Of course, yung guest ko po na si Kuya Bogoy Drelon and si
And Ate
Yeng.
Yeng Constantino, maraming salamat. Sobrang thank you. And of course, how could we forget on drums? Sir Odin
Kuya
Concepcion.
Concepcion.
Uy, paano naman natin nakalimutan?
Sorry.
Ay,
Nalipas.
malabo ang mata. Sorry po.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Salamat din sa ABS-CBN Studios, Sir Carlo, Tita Cory, Sir Mark, Star Magic Family, si Direk Loren,
Direk Lauren!
and all our handlers, si Mama Joy,
Where
Ate
are
BJ, RMs, and of course our RMC, Ate Casey, and Ate Vanessa, ABS-CBN Music Family, Sir
And si
Roxy,
Kuya
Sir
Nick
Jonathan,
andito.
Sir Rox, of course our PPP family din.
Yes,
Na-
our PPP family, our ASAP family,
Dreamscape
our
family.
Dreamscape family, and our
Our
PBB
PBB
family.
family. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. And thank you sa boss,
Boss,
our
boss.
dancers, you the boss. Kuya Reden, Teacher Anna, of course, and to our Add to Heart family. Again, sila Sir Riley, sila Mama Bear, Direk John, everyone. Sa lahat ng staff, sa lahat ng bumubuo nito, sa lahat ng glam teams namin ni
Yes.
Katie, just to everyone who gave their heart and their soul to make this concert what it is. Maraming salamat. Also to the programs who allowed us to promote.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa TV,
TV
Patrol,
Patrol, Wish Bus,
One Balita, Eat Bulaga, Good Morning Kapatid, ASAP, It's Showtime, and Kapamilya Chat.
And
And-
all the press and the media for wonderful write-ups. Thank you so much. And to all our family and friends and all of course, siyempre kayo, sweethearts and solid fans. Thank you.
Yes! Ito, wait lang. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta thank you lang to.
Yes.
Ito, maraming salamat. Alam ko na surprise kayo nung nag-announce kami na magkakaroon ng concert, and we are so thankful dahil yung response nyo ay napaka-warm. Imbis na kaba yung maramdaman namin ni KD, nakampante kami kasi alam namin na pupunta kayo, susuportahan nyo kami, kahit 1 million times na kaming nakita at napanood, hindi kayo
Di ba
nagsasawa.
kayo nagsasawa sa mukha namin?
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Totoo yun, guys. Totoo yun. Totoo po yun. Araw-araw siyang uma-absent para sa amin. Grabe.
Thank you.
Thank you to all the sweethearts who are here tonight,
Yes.
to all our solid
Solid
fans, to
fans.
all my solid Alexas,
Of course, my solid
wherever
KDs.
you are
Thank you so much,
seated,
babe.
to all the solid KDs.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, cute, may pa-banner.
Oh, may
Parang,
banner, thank
parang
you.
graduation mo. Cute. Ayan, and syempre hindi lang yung mga nandito, kundi pati yung mga team abroad, mga nag-donate, mga nag-ayos, lahat. Saan? Tita Nolly, everyone, kiss. KDLX International Sweethearts, everyone, each and every sweetheart. Team Bahay, kung wala ka sa abroad, kung nasa bahay ka ngayon, thank you because we still feel your presence here with us tonight, and this still wouldn't be possible without you for making this trend, for all the efforts that you do, and maraming salamat sa lahat. I hope I didn't forget anyone. I hope I didn't
Yes.
forget anyone. But please know from the bottom of our hearts,
We
we are so, what are we?
grateful
We are so grateful
and
and we are
blessed
so
to have you guys.
We are so honored na sa lahat ng artistang napapanood nyo at pwede nyo suportahan, kami ang pinili nyo. Maraming salamat.
Salamat po.
Thank you so much for being here. We love
Thank you
you.
so much. And
We love you and bye-bye.
good night. Bye-bye.
Bye guys!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.